fugitive emissions from industrial valve systems present significant environmental and regulatory challenges. These emissions are particularly concerning in industries like oil and gas, chemical processing, and petrochemicals. Defined as the unintended release of gases from pressurized equipment, fugitive emissions occur in various components such as valves, pumps, and storage tanks. Addressing these leaks is crucial to ensure safety, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. The U.S. Clean Air Act has led to stricter regulations on fugitive emissions. Programs like leak detection and repair, LDAR, are now essential, with a focus on proactive management rather than reactive repairs. API standards play a critical role in setting emissions benchmarks. API 622, 624, and 641 are the key standards for evaluating valve emissions performance, covering various valve types and sealing materials. Controlling fugitive emissions in API valve systems comes with challenges, such as managing high temperatures, dynamic conditions, and ensuring compliance with rigorous standards. Effective sealing solutions are essential to meet these demands. Advanced sealing solutions address these challenges. Low-emission packing, such as expanded graphite or PTFE, and specialized gaskets are designed for high-pressure, high-temperature applications, ensuring reliable emissions control. Additional options like live-loaded packing systems further enhance sealing integrity by adapting to changing conditions and reducing the risk of leaks over time. When selecting sealing solutions, it is vital to ensure compatibility with process fluids, verify industry compliance through testing, and implement routine maintenance. These practices support long-term emission control and regulatory adherence. Effective management of fugitive emissions is essential for both environmental sustainability and operational reliability. Advanced sealing solutions, combined with best practices, can significantly reduce emissions, helping industries meet their regulatory responsibilities. For over 40 years, CDI has delivered specialized sealing solutions that address the toughest challenges in emission control. Our expertise helps customers achieve long-term value through durable, high-performance sealing components. Thank you for watching. For innovative solutions and engineered precision, visit CDIProducts.com. Let CDI Products be your trusted partner for your next project.